Hi friends. Welcome to Hott and Sweett. Want hotel-style veg Hakka noodles at home? In this video we are learning how to chop a veggies, boiling noodles, and the final smoky toss. First, the prep, because precision is everything here. Julienne your carrots, cabbage, capsicum, and onions into thin, uniform strips so they cook evenly on crazy high heat. Here I am using Hakka noodles. Now, boil a packet of noodles in salted water and also add few spoons of oil in boiling water until they are separated. Once your noodles are separated, turn off the heat and cover the lid for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, drain them immediately, rinse with cold water, and toss with a touch of oil so they stay perfectly separate. Heat your pan. Add in some oil. Toss in your veggies. I'm using carrots, cabbage, and bell peppers. The golden rule here? Do not overcook them. We want that perfect, crunchy texture. For the spice, add some green chili paste. Now for the flavor bomb: soy sauce, a splash of vinegar, green chili sauce, and a pinch of white pepper and salt. Slide those beautiful noodles back in. Give it a high heat toss until everything is perfectly coated. Garnish with plenty of fresh spring onion greens, and just like that, you're done. Better, fresher, and faster than delivery. Dig in.